Hi, my name is Kim, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our feature TeamWork. You can either invite someone from your account, for example, your colleague, to collaborate on a document with you, or someone external. Let me first show you how to invite someone from your account. So let's assume we want a colleague of ours to already complete the questionnaire for us. So we jump into the TeamWork tab, we click on Add Person, and we select From Account. Now here we're going to have all of our internal users listed that have been previously added to the account. To see how you can add someone to your account, please check the video Create Document. Now I choose my colleague and I write him a message, please complete questions. And I click on Send. And now my colleague is going to receive an email letting him know that I have invited him to collaborate with me on this document. Now let's assume I also want to invite someone external, for example, a lawyer, to review the contract. Then I click again on Add Person. This time I select External. And now here I have to provide the email, the name, and I'm also able to leave a message, please review. Now I click on Send. And now the external person is going to receive an email. And they have to set a password before being able to access the platform and the document. Note that while an external person is working on the document, all internal parties will not have the right permission, though we can always revert that and gain back the right permission. These symbols here indicate whether the person is internal or external. Here on the letter icon, you can always leave a message to any person working on the document, and you can also remove people. With our feature TeamWork, you can work efficiently, it's fun, and you can collaborate on your documents from wherever you are. I hope you enjoy working with our feature TeamWork and that this video has been helpful to you.